say goodbye to the person who told me everything I know about geography.
Is that okay? Be the Red Lantern for Halloween.
Who?
The Red Lantern. You know the guy that actually, like, is his lantern, but he's a Red Lantern. Like, the Green Lantern's enemy. Metropolis.
You can be whatever you want to be, man.
No question.
Mom, I did it!
Awesome. Let me take this down real
Everything
quick.
unquestioningly?
So we can put the tongue in.
You excited about your first day? Camera. But today your first day at kindergarten?
Yep. Today is my first. Okay, I got my shiny new shoes.
Mm-hmm.
And they're really cool. And I got these inside. The Pixels, Teenage Ninja Turtles. And I got some cool socks on.
Cool, man. Ready to go. Alright, man. First day of school.
First day of school.
Yeah. Are you excited?
Yep.
Good.
Super excited.
Get some new friends.
I got all my stuff.
Get to learn. What's the most important thing you do in school?
Listen.
That's right.
And learn.
That's right.
And be good.
That's right. You got 'em, man. You got 'em.
And be polite and be nice.
Yep, be polite and be nice. That's right.
And when you burp, what do you say? Excuse me.
That's right. Don't burp in school though. It's not nice. You burp just a burp. Don't do that at school.
Like you just keep it in your mouth and then burp.
Yep. Close your mouth.
Hey, you look handsome.
Yeah, you are. But you shouldn't be nervous. Everybody's gonna be nervous, you know. But I think you'll do great.
The kids are not old enough, but Charlie's going to do really bad.
I don't think Charlie's gonna be in there with you, buddy. He's got another year of pre-K.
Yeah, he's got another year of pre-K because he's not trained to listen, right?
I don't know.
He is like going to do horrible on his test.
I don't know, but we'll see. Hopefully he'll do well. Hopefully he'll do well, just like you. But don't be nervous, because everybody's nervous. It's okay. Love you. Growing up so fast. Excuse me. So excited for you, buddy. You know what? Big day. Big day. You want to tell everybody have a good day?
Yeah. Guys, I won't be able to see you too much because I'm going to...
Look at the camera.
I'm going to my first day of kindergarten.
Yeah, that's right. Alright, well we're going into school. I probably shouldn't tape that. Say I'll see you guys later. Say have a great day. Alrighty. Alright. You know what that means, right? It's official. You're a kindergartner. Boy, he's the big boy now. I'm gonna zoom in on him. See you. You're gonna do great, man. You always do. Cause you're the best.
And make lots of friends. Class will love you.
It's almost time for school. 5 more minutes.
For our needs. Come on in, okay? Stay there right in line. I'll see you in Love you.
Bye, Bobby. I love you.
Love you.
You have a great day.
Look at all these sweet friends. Then go. You're going to do no, we have to go to a parent. Go on with all your new friends, okay? Yes.
Did you find yours? Show it to me, buddy. Where's yours? That's right. That's right.
Go get your lunch on the bottom. I love you. Okay. You hang your backpack right underneath.
I put mine away.
Awesome. So you can come right to the first. Say your name first. Right underneath. Okay. Here's Evan. If you find your name right underneath your name. Yes, you can come right to the perfect. We're going to sit down, okay? Right on that hook. Here's your light spot. What's your name, sweetie? Ingrid, you're over here. I find yours.
I'm like, get out the house. Ooh. She's like, don't leave. Bless it. It is sad though, for real. What up, guys? Getting ready to go to the bank, run a couple errands, come back, fix some lunch, and I gotta get little man at 3:30 today. So clean the house a little bit. Brenna's out shopping with her mama, so I think they had to go to Kroger's, which is a grocery store. I know a lot of y'all probably don't have Kroger's, but we do out here. So going to the bank, and then we're probably gonna do some challenges tonight too. We got a bunch of those crazy ass funky chips from other countries, well, other country flavors. So we're gonna try that and see what we think. Hopefully I'll like them, because none of them sound good. Alright, so I got done with that. I'm gonna go home, make some dinner, and we'll get these challenges rolling as soon as B gets back. So, and then we'll go get little man, see how his day went. Hopefully it went great. That's what I'm hoping. Back at the house. Got to close my gate. I ain't got no automatic shit. That'd be dope though, wouldn't it? Pull up, hit a button like a garage door. Woo. Sick. If I didn't have dogs, I got like a bunch of dogs. Tons of them. There's the other little pen that we don't use. People before us had a big ass dog. Bomb. Philly steaks. Promise. Promise. And you can get them at the store. They're already frozen. And they come in this kit. Beef, Philly, cheese, steak. It's so good. Put your own little spices in there. I'm finna show y'all. I'm finna hook it up. I'm finna give y'all a cooking vlog. Cooking with the maniac. So here we go.
All right. First thing you're gonna need to do, you're gonna need to preheat the oven to 400 for the bun. Preheat. Now, what I recommend doing on these, because I make them all the damn time, and I got them down. Their directions, I'm all right. So, they don't tell you to take the onions and the cheese. There's the onions. Here's the cheese. I set it out for the duration of the preheating and cooking. The reason I do that is just everything just seems to cook so much easier. So here's the buns they come with. And then you got your beef patties. And it comes full. All beef. Sirloin. So, your pan needs to be at 350. So, I'm gonna wait a minute because it's gonna take a little bit of time for the oven to preheat. Probably about 8 minutes. But they want you to cook the meat at 350. So I'd say that's about medium high. You know the deal. All right, like I said, the bread's gonna thaw out a little bit if you leave that kit sitting out. It works a lot better. So you can put this thing in for 6 minutes. Half 7 minutes. It says 6 minutes. Oh, you gotta go a little bit longer. You're gonna do this for 2 minutes and then you're gonna flip it. The bread's gonna stay in there. I say it's about 6.5 to 7 minutes. It says 6 minutes. Oh, you gotta go a little bit longer at 9 minutes. About 1 minute. and then you're going to kind of take up. This time, throw them spices on there. Remember, that's Montreal steak. Real nasty. Performance. Man, I need another hand. Cheese now. Here's the cheese on it. There we go. There's a little slot right here. I'll give it a minute. We'll go for about another minute. And that was 7 minutes to begin with. Boom.
Hi, buddy. Careful. Hey, open the door. Open. I unlocked it. Wait, how come I'm sitting back here?
We moved it. It's easier.
Thanks.
Take your book bag off.
I get to sit
Take
back
the book
there
back
all
off.
the time now.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my feet up too.
How was your day?
It was really great.
Awesome.
And the class is like really awesome because guess what? You get the prizes.
Really?
Oh man. Can you get buckled?
Let me help you. We got to go to the wrong one. It's the one closest to you.
There we go. So what all did you do?
Like it's really. Bye. See you later.
buddy.
See you tomorrow.
You're so excited. I'm so glad, buddy. Glad you had a good
My
day.
first day was awesome.
So good. Glad. Love you.
Love you. No, it was a really hard day, so I'm gonna relax on the couch.
Okay. Sounds good.
I'll record a video.
Everybody like your shirt? Your Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle shirt?
No, the girls didn't.
The girls didn't? Well, that's all right.
Don't worry about the girls.
The girls are just buttholes.
Hey, watch it. Fishy song. Okay, I'll get copyrighted. Enough of that. Alright, so it's an exciting day in the Wood family. My soon-to-be 17-year-old just got his first vehicle. He's very excited. And if y'all could leave some comments, tell him what y'all think. Because I think it's beautiful.
Here, bud.
It's really nice. What you think, Kason? You like it?
Her truck.
Sure.
Got it today.
Hi there.
That's my dad.
Where?
Come here, Kason.
Alright. Where you going, buddy? Your buddy calling you?
Hi, buddy. How are you? Like John's truck.
This is John's boss,
Don't touch
Natalie.
anything, okay?
Basically.
Alright, we got nitrogen in the tires. So the dealership gave us these to let anybody know if they need to put them in there. So it's the last thing we'll put on the car. You may hold on to this one and put it in the toolbox? Okay. So this is the last one. And it's official. He has his first vehicle. Alright guys. Let's see a shit-eating grin. There it is. Not young anymore. Cruising. Dun, dun. This is where I put the music in. Dun, 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 dun. And then Grandpa just stunts on him in the F-150.
Alright guys, so appreciate you hanging out with us as always. Make sure you're sharing, subscribing if you like it, and all that good stuff. So, we appreciate you.